I am Louis Miller. This is my shop and this is my museum. It's called the ACCOMPONG Museum. So if you would come with me, I could show you around and then we can go on from here.
Thank you.
That's my mother. My mother got this from the marriage officer as a wedding present when she was 30 years old.
Okay.
And then she died at 103 months.
Wow.
Yes. And if she was alive now, I think she would be like 116. I think she was born 1901, something like that. I was checking the other day, I don't know if I'm right now, but she was born 1901.
Okay. So it's a little teapot.
Yes, a little teapot. Just a cup of tea. In here. That's a thimble. You know what a thimble is?
For the sewing machine?
Yeah, no, you put your finger.
Oh, that's,
You put it on the finger when you're sewing so that the needle don't joke you.
Yes.
That's what is written on here. Let me see what is written on here. Teapot, 66 years old.
Oh, maybe it's back then when
a few years ago. No, that's a few years ago when I check it. When I check it a few years ago, the pot would be 66 years, but that's quite a few years ago.
Yeah, so maybe it's more now, like 100 and odd.
No,
or so.
It would be, if you take away 30, from 120.
Okay.
That's my mother is. All right. This is what they use. What is missing there? Oh. Okay. That's a stamp. This is like a stamp, or whatever you want to call it.
I'll say it's a stamp your item.
I'm saying this is a stamp. For instance, if I was giving you a check, I could use this and mark the check.
Okay.
I could use this and bore a hole in the check or whatever you want to use, whether it can spin. Lock here, but you can go right around and make the different size. Make the different size. That is one way of using it, and the shoemaker would use it also a shoemaker tool. He would use this to punch hole in the leather.
Oh.
You know, like when you get it in the belt.
Yes, yes.
And the hole in the belt there. So he would use this and punch it. And used for many different reasons. Alright. Where are we again? Look around again.
I saw some bottles down here.
Oh yes, we have bottles.
I didn't know about the Kellys.
You didn't know about Kelly's bottle? Yes, Kelly's.
I didn't know about Coca-Cola.
It's okay, it's Kelly's. That was the let's see if it's on there.
Okay.
That was what the logo is. And they would say it on the radio. It's okay, it's Kelly's. Yeah, that was the logo. And
Pepsi Cola.
All original Pepsi.
Oh, they used to mix them together. Pepsi and the cola together.
Pepsi Cola, that was the
yes.
Pepsi Cola. You have Coca-Cola. Alright. Oh,
What is that?
This is the old red stripe bottle.
Okay.
If you want to buy a red stripe beer, this is what you have to buy. Yeah, it's a whole red stripe. Once upon a time.
What is written on it? Lager beer.
Yes,
Let me see the stamp on the side, the other side. Okay.
A and G.
And look how the logo was before.
Yes, that was what it looked like before. And they changed it around. So this is one of the old original B&G bottle. This is Coca-Cola. I don't know, I'm sure you know
Coke,
this.
yeah.
Yes. Coca-Cola. I have some unusual bottles here. Everybody know. Sprite.
Yes.
Big giant Sprite. And this is Canada Dry. Canada Dry.
Canada Dry.
Yeah.
Let me see what is written on it.
If you can read it.
J.S. Webster and Sons Limited, Kingston, Jamaica.
Oh yes, J.S. Webster.
Yes, by authority of Canada Dry International Inc., New York.
Yeah. I used to work for Webster's in Kingston, you know.
Okay. That was Coca-Cola again.
It's a baby Coca-Cola. What was this? Oh, this was what we get coconut oil in.
Oh, what is that word?
Puritan oil.
Puritan oil.
Yeah, that's the coconut oil we used to get. This morning I hear somebody was talking on the radio about the kerosene pan.
Oh, yes.
What is the idea?
Fontan? Coconut oil.
Yes. Separate. Made by Separate. I don't know if Separate is still...
Yeah, Separate. Yeah, I think Separate still exists.
Yeah, this is what we used to get the coconut oil in.
Yes.
And then now, you refine oil now, you get in this.
In that one.
Puritan coconut oil. Most of the people now would know it. But I keep them so...
Okay, I see a briefcase over here.
Oh yes, what you call it?
That's what they used to travel with?
Yeah man, they call it the grip. And now they have a name, they call it Dulcimina.
Dulcimina?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a fancy name they put.
And Air Jamaica is on it, you know?
Yes man, it got to foreign.
See the Air Jamaica. Let me read who travel on it.
Let me see. Maybe it's me, you know.
Louis, it's you? So this is what I used to travel with?
I didn't take that, but I just put the label.
Okay, let me put.
Yes, I just put the label there. Because that was the suitcase he would have.
Yes,
That was
yes.
right, so...
Okay.
I think I give one to Pete Man, though I had two of them. I give one Pete Man, both in Darliston, that one. And up there, so you have the cans,
Okay.
quart. You have the quart can, you have the pint can, you have the half pint can, and you have the Jill can.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
And all these.
Here the lamp, yes. I had my good one over the yard with the shade and everything, home sweet home. I had it over the yard, I use it up to Saturday when the current goes off.
Okay.
See you have the dinner set, carrier set.
Oh, you have a chicken, vegetable, and your rice.
Right.
Everything.
So whatever your meal is, you can have one down here, and one in here, and one up there. You pull it here, flip them out, and put them back. And keep your lunch or whatever nice and warm. That will be into the cousin.
Is the real rum that?
Where is it?
The
You
JB.
mean this? No, this is not real rum, you know, it's a bottle of tonic.
Okay.
A bottle of homemade tonic. I got it a few years ago, but I don't even remember.
You can't drink then.
Yes.
And it's few years ago?
Just need a little honey or vinegar in it. Not vinegar, sugar. You can drink.
So it doesn't expire? Look like you want to shake up.
No man, it's real tonic.
Okay.
What you would use, like, what do you call it now? Homemade tonic. Chain root.
Okay, I thought those things expire, you know.
No man, They don't expire that more than a year. just need some sugar to sweeten it up.
Yes, yes.
But that was what the man make.
Who is that picture there? Is your mom?
Where is it?
The picture beside the right here. Right here, the lady.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Oh, she's our old ancestor in the family.
Okay.
Could be like my father, mother, or somebody.
Okay.
Very old.
Yes.
Very old.
Be careful.
When I'm dead, what I'm going to do with them?
Mm.
As I was showing you, this is called the auger.
What is the auger used for?
To bore wood. For instance, if I want to bore a hole in here,
Okay.
you would use it and spin it. Instead of it, what we have now is a drill. You know the electric drill?
Yes.
Right, so this was before the electric drill. So as I was showing you now, if you bore a hole with this and it's not big enough or the size you want, then you could use the reamer to make it bigger. This one was like a quarter inch. This would bore like a quarter inch hole.
Okay.
And this one would bore like a 1 inch hole. So those were the tools that we used in those days.
Okay.
Right. Where am I? That's a whole piece of alligator skin.
Let me feel it.
I take that from the great house. There was a great house up there, you know. I used to work there.
Okay.
So this is a piece of alligator skin
Okay.
that I had for many years. I got it from the great house. Very genuine leather.
Yes.
Real leather. So
Save it.
I saved it from I was working at the great house up there. Not there anymore.
Okay.
Oh, the lamp. Here is the lamp. First of all, you have the lantern.
Yes.
This one is a walking lantern. You put the oil down here.
Mm-hmm.
And the shade is here, and you would light it. You would light it here and put on the shade. And this you use to operate it. Yeah, so you go up and to take out the shade.
Okay.
Like that. See it? So I can go apart like that. You fit it in and put the shade in. I had one out there with the shade on. And these now are the tilly lamps. Different ones. Different model. You would light it. I think you know what a tilly lamp look like. So all these carry a shade inside there and you would have to pump it. This is the pump. This is the pump that work it.
Okay. Okay.
So you would use it and pump here in there with the kerosene oil in the bottom. And you would pump it until it's full with oil. Then you turn it on. Here is it. You turn it on with this. So you make the knob there. This one not turning. Anyway, that's the knob. You would turn that on to turn it up or down. And you get bright light bright up the whole place.
Okay.
These are parts. These are parts. This is the generator. This is called the generator. You see it has a little needle in there. That's where the oil come through. The oil would come up from the bottom, go right up in there, and so you get to light it. I used to have to light those when I was at the great house.
Yes.
So I learned too much. This is called a Paragon. You know what that is?
No. What is it?
That's a Paragon. It's a shoemaker tool. This was what he put the shoes on. The leather part of the shoes, the uppers. We put it on here or on here, different sides. And this is where he build the shoes.
Okay.
This is where he build the shoes, and this I think is for the heel.
Yes.
So it's called a Paragon. It was shoemaker, you know, my mother.
Guys, it was a wonderful experience. The tour was lovely. There are so many things that we have seen from the past, and it has also brought back so many memories. But in the meantime, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Stay tuned for the next part. Alright?